What's going on, guys? Corey here, and today we are taking you to the Cooler Master booth to take a look at the custom PCs that were on display at Cooler Master booth during Computex 2017. Some really cool designs. I'm going to take you through three at the moment. These things were absolutely insane. This one here was built by Modder Crow for the Cooler Master Case Mod World Series, and look at this. It is a Ferris wheel spinning one way in the middle, spinning the other on the outside. And what I can't get my head around is how this thing is actually powered, because the power cord should, in theory, be tangling up right now. So somehow I'm assuming that it's wirelessly powered somewhere, or it's got a cord somewhere in the middle. I have no idea, but this thing is absolutely brilliant. I know there is a key to turn the thing on down the bottom there, so however it's done very well, and it blows my mind to actually try and figure out how this is actually done. The whole power thing is what has me going crazy, so I'm going to have to ask him a few questions. I'll get a hold of him and I'll let you guys know how this thing's actually powered. If any of you guys do know, then please leave it in the comments below. Because yeah, this one has me going insane at the moment trying to figure this out. Anyway, with the craftsmanship, you can see that it is top quality. Looks like it's all been CNC milled out, and there is not one thing that he has left unscathed. It's all real quality handwork that he has done. The paint job is phenomenal, and I like how he's put the addition of the clock numbers on the outside with the Roman numerals. Just ties the whole build together and gives it a nice aesthetic. And I have no idea what those things are in the middle, but it just looked insane. So it's definitely something I wanted to show you guys. So hopefully you guys are feeling the same way about this build as me. Plenty more builds to come. Hopefully you are all enjoying the Computex coverage. Let me know down in the comments if you are. And we'll keep doing videos day by day until we run out of the Computex coverage. I covered pretty much all of the booths, so I hope you are all enjoying. For our second build, we have none other than my fellow Australian modder, OzMods. You can check him out on Facebook just by searching for OzMods. This is his Rocket League themed build. You can see with the two cars up the top, he's also got the Cooler Master logo and all of the sponsors' logos spinning on top as well. And down below, you can see that the graphics card is joined by a riser cable, and the whole Rocket League theme comes through with the blue and orange accents, the black streaks here and there, and of course all of the hexagons, which are known to be on the walls around the maps when you are actually playing Rocket League. It is a Ryzen system, as you can see there, to try and highlight the new release of the Ryzen series of CPUs. Rocket League is glowing up the top there to highlight that feature. Let me know down below, guys, what you all like about this case. If you do like it, would you improve anything? Is there anything you would change? And it also helps the modders to achieve a better result next time, or give them new ideas if there is anything that you think could be improved on. We also have that glowing RGB RAM, which suits the orange and the blue. Now we have a case from ZenMods. This one started off as two cases, which he formed into one case. It's made a really nice slim design, and the paint work cost over $1,000 to actually do that. It is really high quality paint. This is 2-pack auto grade paint, and he's done a fantastic job on the paint work. I actually got to look close at the paint work, and it is phenomenal. So he's done a really nice job. ZenMods is his name. You can find him on Facebook. He's also another Australian modder, and he is really good with airbrush work, but today he's decided to create a Guardians of the Galaxy theme custom PC with the radiators cooling out the back. He's added his own acrylic windows, and they're actually off of the edge, so it allows for the air to escape down the sides. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed these 3 builds. We've got a couple more builds coming up for the Cooler Master booth. We've got some reviews coming up. I hope you all enjoyed. Remember to check out the videos to the side. Give them a watch, guys, if you did enjoy. And hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. And we'll see you all in the next one.